How to hide photos and apps on your iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos and apps on your iPhone without needing any third-party apps. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps. All right, let's start with how to hide photos. First, open the Photos app. Here, find the photo or video you want to hide. Select, choose the photos, then tap the three dots at the bottom. Now scroll down and tap Hide. It'll ask you to confirm, just tap Hide Photo. This moves the photo into the Hidden album. Now the photos is transferred to Hidden Album. To find them, scroll down to Utilities section and tap on Hidden. Here, you'll find all hidden photos or videos. Okay, now let's talk about hiding apps. If you want to hide an app from your home screen, just long press on it and tap Require Face ID. Then choose Hide and Require Face ID. A window pops up. From there, hit Hide App. Now, the app is still on your phone. It's just moved to the app library. To find it again, swipe left past your last home screen and you'll see the app library. Scroll down and open the hidden folder. Here, you'll find the app. And that's how you can hide photos and apps on your iPhone. If this video helped, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.